I understand that my good friend from Oklahoma, Senator Inhofe, came here to argue that the existence of winter disproves global warming. I know that some of my home state of Massachusetts might be thinking the same thing right now. Because after the first snowstorm, people look for a good place to sled. After the second snowstorm, people look for a place to pile the snow. After the third and fourth snowstorms, people stop looking for things to do and start just asking why. Why so much snow? Why such intense storms? Why won't it stop? What if I told you that it was all part of climate change? That the winters we have known now have been supercharged by warmer waters and stronger storms, that the carbon pollution that is making our summers hotter is also making our winters more unpredictable. Here are the 3 facts I want you to know. Number 1, the waters off of Massachusetts, and indeed up and down the Atlantic coast, have been at record warm levels. In one case, off of Cape Cod, 21 degrees warmer than normal. Warmer water gives storms more moisture, and that moisture has to drop at some point, and when it does, it means more snow. That's what's going on. 2, cold air is part of winter. We're in New England, after all. And new research is suggesting that the melting of the Arctic ice cap is causing more of those polar vortex situations that send frigid air rushing down to Canada and then down to us. That's global warming. And 3, more intense precipitation events have increased by 71% in New England since 1958. 71% more intense precipitation. Supercharged storms from climate change are a little like Rob Gronkowski. They are bigger, they are stronger, and whether they spike the ball or drop their snow, it's going to come down harder, a lot harder. And across the globe, temperatures are going up. It's global warming. This last year was the warmest on record across the globe. A few weeks ago, cold in one place does not mean that global warming isn't happening. That's the difference between weather and climate. Global warming does not cancel the seasons. We will still have winter. Sometimes it will be still very, very cold, but overall, it's going to be warmer, a lot warmer. When warmer water makes more moisture and it goes into the clouds, it has to come down. And when it does, and it is cold, it should be no surprise that we will get more snow. And if there's one thing we can all agree on with the climate, it's that every person in Massachusetts would rather be in Florida at Red Sox spring training camp right now, because this snow is still coming down. But it's not just weather, it's climate change as well. Mr. President, I yield back the balance of my time.
Mr. President.